chapter 6 agriculture. Chapter 6 I lu non ding one agriculture. Ye chapter a poimo ai ki tom ki ma ki kup khom ding te wile types of farming I ding a cropping season, major crops of India, food security, impact of globalization on Indian agriculture. Meeting I ding tuna yan su pa ding wa types of farming. India farming type thumina ki khentheya chi thumina ki khentheya ama sa pen hele primitive subsistence farming chi hi bangiam primitive subsistence farming chi en suk non dingwa. It is a type of farming in which crops grown are consumed by the grower and his family. Primitive subsistence farming chi chenga lo khomi na ama nek ding bana ai amale en kwante nek ding ki alone ho changa primitive subsistence farming ki chai. It is carried out with the help of primitive implements like dough, sickle and dow. Again point number 9 again to bang yam chile primitive subsistence farming practice na dinga implements atte khanglui ma tempong chi khong koite chi khong kya jang modernized implements modern implements ki chi him ki jang lo hi primitive subsistence farming it is also known as shifting cultivation. Shifting cultivation le ki chi hi primitive subsistence farming bang jangiam chi le modern implements janglo wa lo gamla kai ke mwala kang hon khowa why modern implements janglo harle janglo le hoi na le janglo ei jaka kumbang jem farming on bol changwa ale hoi naung tul pa ale hoi naung be changa mun dang khatang kitwan non pau ei jaka shifting cultivation le ki chi hi. Point na intensive subsistence farming. Intensive subsistence farming chi bangyam chi chenga intensive subsistence farming chi chenga population tam namuna farming ki bolte farming ki practice te lo hai population tam atam lo jaka gam ong to mina gam ong neu chi kana isun sunwa tha senge kina farming on bol changwa intensive subsistence farming ki chahi. It is practiced in areas of high population pressure on agricultural land. To ensure high yields, the farmer use manures, fertilizers and different methods of irrigation. Amun ong pen neu lwa jaka population tam loi jaka ingina demina lei mun ong neu chik ani isun sunwa farming on bol ai jakwa atam theilam alo wa pian theina dingwa harvest theina dingwa le hoi na chi tom manures ki chi bang fertilizer ai ki irrigation method tom bang zadaw mahi achile thumna commercial farming ichi chang bang farming yam in commercial farming crops are raised for the market. Commercial farming ichi changa low kho chi khata hiya why yei category yei farming low bol pana nek dia height tu lowin bazara azwak dikya hayon tu changa commercial farming ki chahi. Use of high yielding variety seed HYV seeds, chemical fertilizers, insecticide, pesticide to obtain higher productivity are the common features ki chia. Alo bolpana bazar zwak ding high kya tu ai jaka wai bazar tam thei lama zwak thei na dia a product leo a hoi ngai a product hoi kya hilowa product pe a quantity atam ngai jaka HYV seed bangonjang chemical fertilizers le hoi da bangonjang insecticide pesticide te bang ke jang tang pia hi. Cropping seasons in suk non dingwa. In India there are 3 distinct cropping seasons. They are Kharif, Rabi and Zaid. India low ball ichi pen season thumina ki khentheya season khat nai le Kharif akichia Kharif pen bang khapan bang tan kha taniam chi en suk non diwa ya table en diwa Kharif season pen June akipan ki panin September atopa yei Kharif season ha ye ki tu te ai le rice, cotton, basra, maize, jowar, ragi, groundnut arhar chitelo he. Rabi season October kha in kipanin March khatan daya haya ki tu te crops ki tu te hile wheat, gram, barley, mustard, rapeseed, peas. Thumna Zaid hile April akipanin May khatan crops ki tu te hile fruits, vegetables, watermelon, cucumber, fodder. Cropping season in India. major crops of India yen suk non diwa akhatna rice is the staple food of our country. India mi tamzoina India zato rice here. It requires high temperature of 25 degrees Celsius and rainfall of above 100 centimeter. Rice bu akichin na dia temperature sang tak poimo 25 degrees Celsius. Bana rainfall wa le tampi poimo it should be above 100 centimeter annually. Anina wheat is the second most important crop in India. Rhizoma wheat pen most important food crop ahim. It requires a cool wet climate that is 10 degrees Celsius to 15 degrees Celsius during the growing season, and a warm dry climate that is 20 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius at the time of harvesting. Wheat kichi akiching theina dinga climatic condition are required te hi le a growing season temperature pen asang lo loading aniam lo loading cool wet climate. Temperature pe sang lo bana vot lo lum lo ahun chat ahiding bana anom ding wet climate. Temperature range ile 10 degree apat 15 degrees Celsius tan ahiding growing season bana a warm dry climate at the time of harvesting. Harvest unchanga a temperature pen warm idi lum lo ale hi ton lo di a range ile 20 degrees Celsius apan 25 degrees Celsius tan ahiding poimo ahim. Cotton. It requires high temperature, light rainfall, 210 frost-free days, and clear sky during flowering stage. Cotton kichi aki cultivate thekna dinga poimo climatic condition poimo ken khatte le a temperature pe asang ding bana light rainfall wa pin atam lo ding bana apa khuta ni zani le som sung vu akya lo di frost free wai bana clear sky ding yetilo hi climatic condition poimo te it requires 6 to 8 months to mature and grows best in the dry parts of the black soils of the Deccan Plateau. Point number ni na gena hi le cotton chipen a mature na dinga aki harvest na dinga atom pena 6 months apat 8 months ki kal poimo ahim. Bana yei cotton kichipen drier part of black soil region of the Deccan Plateau adia drier part of the black soil region of the cotton of the Deccan Plateau. It requires 6 to 8 months to mature. Pitching na dinga 6 to 8 months khagu apat khagyatan poimo ahiam ahile koilaka koi bang chi bang leya cotton pin hoi penam chi le hoi pen hi chi le drier parts of black soil region of the Deccan Plateau hoi penahim. India is the fourth largest producer of cotton in the world. India is cotton production to kesai India pen fourth largest producer in the world ahim. Jute requires uniformly high temperature 27 degrees Celsius throughout the year. Jute is fiber plant si khata hiya why akizat na jute akizat na aho to pagena ithi siam thaida bora bek tiloi ki phanna jute apat ahi jute aki cultivate thina dinga uniformly high temperature aki chinga ki pat aki harvestan a uniform di a temperature pen a uniform di that is about 27 degrees Celsius. Grows best in well drained fertile soils. Lei hoi na kya hilowa ki well drained a ki well drained di a soils pen a well drained di tui apai de tui poimo hi jute crops apo theina ding aki cultivate theina dinga. Number 5, sugarcane in Nondiwan requires high temperature from 21 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius. Sugarcane called to akiching na dinga temperature sang poimo hi 21 degrees Celsius apat 27 degrees Celsius tan. Why bana moderate rainfall wo atom loading a moderate ding 75 to 150 centimeter heading bana alepen le hoi heading fertile soil. Rubber. It needs a hot and wet climate with temperature of above 25 degrees Celsius and rainfall of more than 200 centimeter annually. Rubber ki cultivate thina dinga poimo ile temperature asang ding wai kya hilo abwa tui tam poimo hi 25 degrees Celsius rainfall hi more than 200 centimeter hi di wai jaka rubber ki cultivate na India etchanga tropical areas lak hitang pi Kerala lak khong ai Kerala South India hitang pi hi ajak chuai lak akwale lumin bana wa tuile tam ziak aguk na ti. It requires high temperature 20 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius and annual rainfall of 150 to 300 centimeter. Ti ichanga singpite yai pen climatic condition again man nengchik kon genzual diam ti pen India originated hilawaya British ten Indian puak lu to hi wai utung to na India British ten on puak lu to hi ahia actually ti pen ni na aki cultivate na dinga high temperature poimo temperature sang poimo 20 degrees Celsius apat 30 degrees Celsius tan annual rainfall aile 150 apat 300 ki kala hi. It is grown on hilly slopes mualpang mun kian laka atang pia ti kichipen ki cultivate hi. Food security a topic known in the food security bang hiam chi changa mehina an ki poimo ai kya hilo wina I an nekte laka minerals can cut proteins chiam carbohydrates chiam vitamins ki poimo white lo kining chingta ka nek ding kining chingta ka ne ding wai pen kha food security hi. It means freedom from hunger and malnutrition. Two components of food security are buffer stock and public distribution system PDS. India food security ki maintain thikna dinga government ina food security ki maintain thikna dinga component ni aneya why component ti gela hi le buffer stock le PDS public distribution system ahi. Buffer stock ki changa India ina harvesting season changa bula kun changa minimum support price tungto na farmer te kyanga lo khomi te kyanga bu tampi lein why bu aleite PDS public distribution system tungto na again theite kyanga home khat man tom chi ka subsidized rate home khat hi achile reason for food security in India bangja ka food an kichipen bu kichipen tak sapna hiam chi yan sup non dewa number khatna shifting from cultivation of food grains to other crops nidanga farmers teloina lo homiten food grains kana tu peno hunon pai hun ki kina food grains akipan commercial crops on ki swan changwa food grain production penon kiamina food security on tunahi number ni na net zone area is declining net zone area nidanga lo kho na lian ta ki hopen tu changa urbanization ni chiam development tom tejaka low mun telo inmuna ki convert kile industrial side ang ki convert changa anet zone area pen on decline anet zone area pen on decline changa a food grain production pen le on decrease ahi on decline non kiam non. Point number 3, natural calamities such as drought, floods, cyclone. Point number 3 again up to natural calamities can cut drought. It's drought is what we omlo. I kill floods. Floods is a tuichim. I can cyclone. Chitelo onom changa food crops de nasataka susiaina a food grain production pen nasataka sukiam. Why is taka India problem? Ni ting natural calamities la problem ni main problem ele drought to floods ahin water crisis alina water crisis jaka bang jaka food insecurity tung theya mi chi changa India dena igen tang ma banga water scarcity ki tuwa ka hin achile water tui chi pen lower high te dia poimo honin onjel auchi changa water pen kining ching taka tui pen kining ching taka lowa aki supply zo lo changa food grain production pen nak na sa takang ding honding high na production pen on decrease why jaka food insecurity kichi India omgi geyahim achile topic no na India impact of globalization on Indian agriculture. Ya igen mana banga globalization chi neng chik igen zwaliwa globalization chi chenga economy khat gam khat economy to gam dang khat economy on ki integrate ai kele on ki kom to a vanon ki zuak to wa vanon ki lei to changwa globalization ki chi hai atom ki magena the integration of domestic economy with that of international economy is called or is known as globalization. Impact globalization na jaka Indian agriculture bang tana impact khayam bang tana sukha bang tana effect khayam chi ending. Number 1, the most important impact of globalization on Indian agriculture was liberalization. Liberalization kichi bang hiam chi against how jekdiwa nidanga Indian economy pen kha gamdang economy to ki kom to alalo mani le mani ki to del dana ana pai to hiya himale 1991 akipan India heu to ten India makai ten Indian economy pen ama akya ding thailo khovel economy to ki integrate ngai hi china policy khat on panwa 1991 apat why policy pen liberalization pen the most important impact of globalization on Indian agriculture here in actually hey liberalization tung to na India na avan crops de te agriculture apat agriculture product tom te gam tom mang zuak pan taw on zuak pan changwa Indian economy pen khang ki globalize on ki globalize ahi 1991 apat point number 2 na globalization ensures only good quality at competitive prices will survive in the market. Actually, globalization impact point mo non ma chu point number 2 na ichina kichia. Globalization jaka India ni na avante gamdang kya nga gamdang te kya zuakta. Au chi takchenga competition na sa takangom goods competition na sa takangom why competition chu bangyam chi le Ivan Zuakhate, Indian Avan Zuakhate, a quality hoi pen a hiding, Bana, Aman pen atom di. Aziakbel a quality kya hoina Aman tamle, Indian Avan te Gamdang kya Azuak te home lo de Zaka, quality hoi di, competitive prices a hiding, Chiahim. Helaka haksat nakat ngom non chu India farmers ten a quality te maintain zo hollo bana a prices pin kha competitive sakzolo bangje kyam chile gamdang te na machine hoi pp zanga tha tom chik to food grains production nasta ka harvest ka teu gam tom ke azwa ka hi jaka Himalaya India chenga farmers ten machine hoi pp zang zo lo bana mi tha tam pp go e jagwa vanon zuak chenga amau profit amu theina diwang zuak chenga a price pen international level adia ana sang lo khine jaka competition pen competition jaka Indian farmers ten nasata kana suffer wahi na Indian point number lina organic farming has been taken up widely in India today. Globalization jaka organic farming India nasataka on ki practice hai bang jagyam chile organic farming pen kha khowela khangta khan to dungzu ya mi ki chang kangina mi ingten crop phimem crop na rang te ki de no lo inek la tak te ai kele crops lady te ibu lady ime lady te ai the tana organic farming ki de ita organic farming chi changa chemical fertilizer janglowa crops ki ching te loi kha organic farming ki chahi why organic farming tung to na India ina sumna staka international organic farming te ozok chang sum tampion muwa economic na staka on hi ha to hi heteloi impact of globalization on Indian agriculture ai ki kom the wai